Hey guys, I'm Lightning Rocket, and in this Perler Beading video, I'll be showing you how to make this super cool multi-purpose coffee mug that you can use to hide your secrets inside. It features a removable top as well as having a capacity of at least a dozen sticks of gum. This model is really cool, so let's stop talking and get started. Here are all the pieces. Make sure to follow them carefully as some of them are not perfectly symmetrical, such as that cross that has one side that is a bit longer than the other. Also, feel free to customize the color of the pieces to make your own unique mug. Here, I'm making the frame. You want these pieces to be snug together and not wobble around too much, as these will be holding up all the layering panels on the sides of the cup. Also, while I'm putting this mug together, I want to point out that we're really close to 1,000 subscribers. It would mean the world to me if you could follow Lightning Rocket Creates, as I want to spread Perler Beading with a bigger audience and make it accessible to everyone with tons of fun projects to do at home. Also, make sure you watch my ironing tutorial, which is fused into my DIY crewmate video, as I show the perfect amount of ironing needed to get the best finish on your 3D models. Because my mug is white and has a high contrast, it might be hard to see what I'm doing sometimes. If this happens, try pausing the video when I'm putting the cup together and find the pieces before moving on with the assembly. Or maybe slowing the video down to 0.5 speed could also help. In case you're still watching this video, I think you'll enjoy some of my other ones. Also, don't forget that none of them use any glue and are only made with beads. Also, something funny about this build is that I wanted to make it for October 1st, which is International Coffee Day. However, I finished it on October 2nd and never got around to making it until now. Just some history behind it. Now, this model has a lot of similar pieces, and I recommend sorting them out and placing duplicate pieces in piles to make it easier to find them later. Also, for the pieces that slide together and are held in by friction alone, you have to iron them just a bit more than our regular pieces, as these need to be a bit more flat and spread out to keep themselves from falling out when you don't want them to. Now our model's almost done. We're making the handle. Some of these pieces, such as the ones that go on top and bottom of it, have to be ironed harder than normal. Otherwise they'll fall out if they're ironed regularly. Now once you finish the handle, and if you're not planning to take the mug apart again, feel free to iron the bottom to make it more flat. However, I have to point out that ironing the bottom will fuse the frame pieces to the base, essentially making the cup permanently assembled. I really hope you enjoyed this video on how to make a coffee mug out of perler beads. And as always, I'm open to suggestions for future videos. Keep in mind that I select models with a higher polygon count. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.